Close your eyes and let your senses embark on a tantalizing journey through the exquisite flavors of yakisoba. Picture yourself in a vibrant Japanese street food market, surrounded by sizzling grills and the irresistible aroma of smoky goodness. As the chef expertly tosses the yakisoba noodles on the hot teppanyaki grill, a symphony of flavors begins to dance before your eyes. First, imagine the seductive embrace of savory soy sauce as it coats each strand of noodles, infusing them with its rich umami essence. Its deep, dark allure draws you in, leaving you craving for more. Next, feel the gentle warmth of toasted sesame oil caressing your palate. Its delicate nuttiness adds a luscious depth, intertwining with the soy sauce to create a harmonious melody that lingers with every bite. It's a sensuous waltz of flavors, teasing and tempting your taste buds. Now, imagine the vibrant orchestra of fresh vegetables joining the performance. Crisp, colorful bell peppers entice with their sweet juiciness, while crunchy cabbage adds a subtle earthy note. The tantalizing sweetness of thinly sliced carrots and the delicate bite of tender bean sprouts complete the ensemble, creating a symphony of textures that keeps you enchanted. But the true lure lies in the meaty seduction of the yakisoba. Succulent strips of grilled chicken, beef, or seafood take center stage, their savory aroma wafting through the air, beckoning you closer. Each tender morsel is coated in the irresistible flavors of the soy sauce, sesame oil, and vegetable medley, creating a decadent interplay of taste and texture that is simply irresistible. Finally, a sprinkle of fiery red pepper flakes adds a hint of spice, igniting a fiery passion within your senses. It's a subtle kick, a flirtation with the taste buds that leaves you craving more, yearning to explore the depths of this captivating culinary experience. In the end, the flavors of yakisoba seduce and enchant, weaving together a tapestry of umami, nuttiness, sweetness, and spice. It's a dance of flavors that leaves you spellbound, longing for just one more bite, one more moment of pure gastronomic bliss. Now let's watch the master chef make it. Chop 1 onion. Green onions. Cabbage. Mushrooms. Soy sauce. Brown sugar. Mirin. Ginger. Garlic. Stir and set aside. Render some bacon. Throw on some ground pork. Down with the cabbage and onions. Sauce. Mushrooms. noodles, more sauce, shrimp, green onions. Give a good squirt of
Okonomi Sauce.
Give it a good mix. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated. We appreciate your support and see you in the next video.